That was my little helper. Okay, so there we have our 3 pieces. Again, we have them in light and we have them in dark. Okay, now we're going to put these together. So you're going to take one of your dark pieces, a dark wedge, and you're going to take one of your light pieces and one of your light pieces. And you can mix these up, and you'll just want to put them back together this way. And we'll kind of mix these up so we have some interest in our block. If you're using scrappy fabrics, this will be really interesting and a lot of fun, but for ease of demonstration, I'm just going to use these. Okay. Let's move this one over here. And we'll put this one here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stitch all these back together. And when you stitch them back together, that's going to give you that X block for the scrappy quilt that we're demonstrating. Now, when you stitch them together, you're going to line up your tip with the tip right here and here. And you're going to stitch a 1/4 inch line, 1/4 inch seam, and then you'll iron that open, and you'll do the same thing on this side. You'll line up your piece, tip and tip, sew your 1/4 inch seam, and iron it open. Once you iron it open, square up your block, and you will have something that looks like this. The block will go from 5 inches down to 4.5 inches when you square it up after you've stitched it and pressed your seams open. One of the things that would be really important to focus on when you're stitching your seam is that you have an accurate 1/4 inch seam allowance and that you finger press it open completely before you set it with your steam, because you want to make sure these seams are all the way open. Okay? Then you can just sew your blocks together to create your finished block.